Our traditions define who we are. We have lived here for centuries, honoring the ways of our ancestors.
So if you want to explore the platform yourself while watching this video, you can follow along. Right now, the biggest trend in AI video creation is short, cinematic, high-impact content that looks realistic, emotional, and visually clean. Across all major social media platforms, creators are focusing on videos that immediately capture attention, feel premium, and maintain visual consistency, even when they are only a few seconds long. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these trending AI videos are created. Instead of just explaining concepts or talking theory, I will actually create a video live on.
This week tutorial, AI tutorial with AP is a beautiful tree
on screen so you can see the full process in real time. I will build a trending style AI video step by step using WAN 2.5 inside Higgsfield. The link to Higgsfield is in the description below, so how to use its powerful features to make professional quality content effortlessly. Higgsfield is an all-in-one Gen AI platform designed specifically for creators, freelancers, marketers, and content studios. It combines multiple advanced AI models in a single workspace, making the video production workflow fast, smooth, and efficient. Instead of switching between multiple applications for images, audio, motion, and video, everything is accessible within Higgsfield. Models such as WAN 2.5, Nano Banana Pro, Kling Audio, and Cdance Pro offer specialized capabilities, allowing creators to generate cinematic visuals, professional audio, and motion graphics without technical expertise. WAN 2.5 is the most powerful video generation model designed to produce high-quality cinematic content with realistic motion, stable visuals, and integrated audio. Nano Banana Pro excels at high-resolution image generation for backgrounds, props, or storyboard references. Kling Audio can generate realistic voiceovers, background music, or sound effects that automatically sync with the video timeline. Cdance Pro enables motion-based animation, letting creators bring characters or objects to life with smooth and natural movements. Together, these models provide a complete creative toolbox for content creators. Trending AI videos today are defined by their visual clarity, emotional impact, and cinematic feel. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts prioritize content that hooks the viewer within the first 3 seconds. That's why successful videos focus on a single clear concept, strong mood, and intentional camera movement. Even though these videos may only last 15 to 30 seconds, they must feel deliberate, emotionally engaging, and visually polished. This is exactly what we will create today using WAN 2.5. Every successful video begins with a clear and focused idea. One common mistake creators make is overcomplicating the content. Trending AI videos are simple in concept but highly effective in execution. They usually focus on one main visual idea, one central emotion, and one cohesive theme. Before generating the video, I decide what the viewer should feel when watching it, whether it's cinematic, inspiring, dramatic, futuristic, or calming. This clarity ensures that every element of the video aligns with the intended mood. Once the concept is clear, the next step is prompt creation. Many people assume they need technical filmmaking knowledge or coding skills, but WAN 2.5 understands natural language very well. I simply describe the scene in detail, mentioning the environment, lighting, subject positioning, camera angles, and overall tone. Being specific and clear in the prompt results in higher quality output. This feature allows creators of any skill level to produce professional AI videos without prior production experience. After the prompt is written, I choose the correct video format. Most trending content is consumed on mobile, so I select a vertical aspect ratio to match platforms like TikTok or Reels. I I also keep the duration short and focused because shorter videos generally perform better. Smooth camera movement is another key setting. These choices may seem minor, but they make a significant difference in how the final video appears on social media. A vertical video with smooth motion looks native and professional, unlike cropped long-form content that often feels awkward. Higgsfield also provides advanced cinematic camera controls, which allow creators to simulate dolly shots, crane movements, handheld effects, and cinematic zooms. This level of control lets you frame scenes perfectly, control motion intensity, and design the visual rhythm of your video. When combined with WAN 2.5, these camera features give your AI videos a cinematic quality that is almost indistinguishable from traditionally filmed content. Another powerful feature is motion copying. You can take movement from any reference video and apply it to your scene or character. This is ideal for achieving realistic human motion, object dynamics, or animated gestures. Motion copying saves hours of manual animation work and ensures that the video feels fluid and professional. Mixed Media Studio allows you to combine multiple AI models in one timeline, layer images, apply visual effects, or create composite backgrounds. This feature is particularly useful for creators who want to experiment with complex visual storytelling while maintaining simplicity in workflow. Once all these settings are configured, I generate the video using WAN 2.5. The model produces visuals that are smooth, consistent, and cinematic, with natural motion and integrated audio. Unlike older AI video tools that produce jittery or inconsistent frames, WAN 2.5 ensures that every second of the video feels intentional and professional. After generation, I preview the video carefully to assess timing, camera motion, and visual flow. If any adjustments are needed, I can tweak the prompt, modify motion, or adjust lighting and generate again. This fast iteration.
Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This is where I create all my content. Check out the setup, monitor, mic, camera gear, everything's here. And this, my favorite spot for brainstorming. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.
Sync with the video. This eliminates the need for external audio software and ensures that visuals and audio are perfectly aligned. You can adjust pitch, tone, intensity, and rhythm to match your video's narrative, which is especially important for short-form content where audio greatly impacts viewer engagement. After the video is complete and looks perfect, it's ready to export. Higgsfield supports multiple output formats, resolutions, and aspect ratios, making it easy to post directly to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or any other platform. From concept to final output, the process is efficient, fast, and accessible to creators of all skill levels. No complicated software, heavy editing timelines, or advanced production knowledge is required. Everything happens inside one platform, which makes content creation seamless. By the end of this video, you won't just know what kind of AI videos are trending. You will understand how to create them yourself using WAN 2.5 inside Higgsfield. This workflow is repeatable, scalable, and perfect for creators who want to stay relevant, produce high-quality videos consistently, and experiment with new creative ideas. With features like cinematic camera control, motion copying, mixed media studio, integrated audio, and multiple AI models in one place, creators have all the tools they need to produce professional content at an accelerated pace. If you want to try it yourself and explore all of these features, create professional AI videos, and stay on top of trends, the link to Higgsfield is in the description below. Following this process, you can take any idea and turn it into a polished cinematic AI video step by step, exactly like I'm demonstrating in this live session.